Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about how to fix clips that go out of sync in your sequence in Premiere Pro. Super easy. Let me show you how. So here I have a random timeline, and let's say that I move something out of sync, and that can happen if this link button is off. Right now it's on, so if I move video, the audio goes with it, and vice versa. So that sort of keeps things in sync. But sometimes you lock a track and you do an insert and something goes out of sync, or this button is off and you move something, and it goes out of sync. So instead of trying to drag it back in sync, which could take a while, if you right click where the red number is, you'll get a menu. Either move into sync or slip into sync. If I move it into sync, the video on top will move and sync up with the audio on the bottom, which it does, and then those numbers disappear. If I slip in sync, so I moved it out of sync again, if I slip in sync, it will slip the clip within the video box without moving the box itself. So it's like pulling a tape through the box. So it is sunk up here, but I have no video here, I have no audio here. So if I just stretch it out, that's going to be in sync. And if I pull this in, that'll still be in sync. If you pull something out of sync, like let's say something is out of sync here. So I'll take the trim tool and I threw it out of sync. So I want to get that back in sync. Again, I could slip the video to match the audio, or I could slip the audio to match the video. This time I'm gonna slip the audio to match the video. I say slip in sync, those numbers disappear. So if I go out of sync again, let's say I go that far out of sync. If I want the video to sync up to the audio and I say move into sync, it's gonna overwrite the clip on the right because it needs to move it over to sync this up here. So you have to be careful with the move to sync. But easy to understand. I hope this tutorial helps you fix some sync problems in your sequence. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or like. See you next time. Thank you.